Hi, I'm Cindy.
And I'm Tina.
Today we're going to be cooking from this low-calorie cookbook.
Aussie Fitness.
Yep.
So we're going to be Australian today.
It is funny, some of the different terms that they use.
Yeah.
Well, the reason we're doing this is because we wanted to show you guys how to meal prep. You can eat really well and meal prep. Like
these do not seem like their diet either, or low calorie.
No, they don't at all. They don't.
Yeah.
So the first one that we're going to do is this low calorie and high protein breakfast burrito. Who doesn't love a good breakfast burrito? So this one is supposed to make 4 breakfast burritos. We had a problem getting the big burrito size tortillas.
So they're kind of taco size.
So we're gonna see if we can make 8 breakfast burritos. But according to this, the calories for one burrito is 470 calories, 27 grams of carbs, 18 grams of fat, and 41.5 grams of protein.
All right, let's do it. We've got everything all portioned out here. So we don't have to take all the time to do that. But first we are going to cook the eggs.
Cook the eggs. I am going to put some avocado oil on this.
Okay.
Just a little bit because I hate it when it sticks to the side, you know?
Yeah, easy.
6 eggs and
180?
180 grams of egg whites. So
that cuts down on the fat a little bit.
Cuts down on the
calories
fat, adds
too.
the protein, adds more protein to it as well. Let's try to make our burritos. Now I'm Spanish.
We've gone from Australia to Italy.
I can't do an Australian accent. Can you?
G'day.
G'day.
G'day, that's all I know how to say. G'day, mate.
Okay. So we have the 6 eggs and we have chicken sausage and turkey bacon that we pre-cooked and mixed together. How much bacon was it?
It was 80 grams of bacon and 4 chicken sausages.
Yeah, so we have that chopped up, pre-cooked in here. So all we're gonna have to do is just make the burritos.
Build a burrito.
In these tiny little tortillas.
All right, here we go.
Time to tell the tale.
A little bit of this.
Oh.
Think that's enough?
Well, I mean, because we're gonna have to roll it into a burrito.
There you go with that accent. What was it this time?
Burrito. Spanish.
Okay, Mexican.
We do live by the border here, so.
Is that it?
We're mostly Spanish. Yeah, that's it. Just eggs and meat. You can add other things like cheese. I mean, I feel like with the cream sauce we're going to make, this will probably be okay, or with salsa.
Oh yeah, so we got some leftover.
I
Go
just
back and add some more.
keep it on here. That's a lot. This is a taco. I can't even. Okay, it's going to be like that.
All right, well, we made 8.
We made 8.
Could have made.
We could have made
2 more.
2 more, yeah, easily.
But we
2
don't
more.
have.
All right.
Sure. All right,
Let's make
now the burritos are made.
Let's make the crema. So we have the 150 grams of yogurt.
I think it's called yogurt.
Not with an accent.
Now, what kind of accent is that?
I don't know.
Yogurt? French?
Half an avocado.
Or avocado.
Yep, whichever you prefer.
Half a lime and 100 milliliters of water, I think. Actually, it's a little more than
I'm
that.
gonna not put all of it in there. I'll put some more in there if I need it.
Okay.
And a packet of ranch dip. This is gonna make an avocado ranch crema.
Crema.
Because
Roll that R. Crema.
crema. Let's take a gander. So we'll do.
Now she's country.
I'm gonna be American.
No, you're country. Oh, I like the
I think
consistency.
you think
Well,
that's good?
you might be a little more.
Okay, I think that's, I'll do it some more just to make sure. From the expert. Good. Good. Okay.
I have never in my life heard her do so many accents in one.
It was that
15.
fireball I did before you came over.
Yeah, it's a
Kidding.
fireball.
No, I didn't. No, I did not.
Or did you have some gummies?
Nope, I did not have. I had nothing. What do you think?
I don't know. I haven't had it yet.
Are you gonna want?
I'm gonna put some on the inside.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
We can have Mike taste it. He likes it. Hey, Mikey.
It's good. Do you like the crema?
I would like it warmer.
Mm-hmm.
And salsa.
Yes, I agree. Salsa. But it's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect for meal prepping. Eat in the morning, eat for lunch, eat for dinner, whatever.
Yeah.